What's going on YouTube? Today's video we have a brand new product from Muzen. This is the Muzen OTR wood and we're going to check it out today. Muzen makes pretty good products, so I hit them up and I wanted this speaker here and we're going to show you just the basics of it. It's an FM radio. Let's start off with the unboxing experience first and then we'll talk more in the specs and my review. So first off, they do have this type of packaging. You have a lot of little subtle details like a stamp here on the top left for July 5th, 1964. So this speaker is based off of the 60s. It says airmail, keep radio on, listen to what's important with your heart. It has postage stamps there. And then it has express packaging. It says fragile on the back and it has some specifications on the bottom of the box as well. They have different styles. So they have OTR wood and then they have OTR metal, which has a metal design, of course. We have the wood version here just because I think the wood looks a little nicer, but they both look really nice in general. So opening it up, it has a magnetic little flap, and then you are greeted with the speaker itself. Surrounded in this like satin or silk towel, which is pretty nice. Underneath the speaker, we do have our accessories. So we do have a micro USB cable to USB-A. You also have an antenna, which is fully adjustable, and then it also extends. I would say this extends to about 2 feet, maybe 2 to 3 feet. So pretty nice there. And it has support here, support beams. So when you actually input this into the device, it will have more stabilization. And then you also have a little letter, which is pretty cool. So this letter has user manual or quick start guide and just a little pamphlet that shows all of the other speakers that they have. And I'm sure the bigger sounding speakers like the original two, which I haven't seen any videos, I think those speakers look really cool. So they've been making really good quality speakers for a while. And then you also have some stickers. So the speaker, like I said, all full wood design. This looks absolutely amazing. It's stunning. It's handcrafted as well, is what they say. It has rubber feet here at the bottom, so you have 4. And you can actually remove these or replace them with those screws there at the bottom, so you could detach them. But like the finish on this, very nice. Really good quality. You have your FM radio here, the dial knob, to be able to fine tune it to whatever station you want it. You have 2 different knobs here at the bottom. You have the volume knob on the left, and then you have 4 different functions. You have off, Bluetooth, aux, and FM radio. You also have this little LED indicator that will tell you which mode you're on, as well as whenever you're fine-tuning the FM radio, it'll blink green. It'll help you navigate it a little better to find the clearest reception. On the back of the device, you do have your micro USB, and then you have that, I believe that's like a woofer passive radiator in the back. 3.7 volt battery at 1000 milliamps. And then this right here, instead of it being metal, because I believe the second version, the original 2, has real metal, but they went with like a cloth. And what that helps with whenever, it's like, think of it as a pop filter. So you're gonna cut off all the S's, T's and popping and crackling, but this also does give a vintage-like sound quality, which I love. And it also gets really, really loud without getting really distorted. Overall, really good speaker. Now, back in the days, they didn't really have as much bass when it came to the speakers. So this is what you're going to keep in mind for this. It doesn't have like a crazy amount of bass because that's not what it's meant to do. It's meant to be an original retro-like feel sound signature. Keeping that in mind, it's not going to be a JBL. It's not going to be what you have today, but it's the novelty. So let's go ahead and plug in the antenna here. So like I said, you just plug it here at the back, plugs in like so, and then you can adjust it. So it has a little red ball there to the left, to the right, pretty much at any angle to find the clearest tower. And then you could extend it here at the top, which is really nice. And this is just amplifying, obviously, which I do prefer to use this because it does actually help. And also just adds a little nice glow. So this right here is an LED also. It glows in orange, which I love. We're gonna go and show you now what the sound signature is. We're gonna test out the radio, test the antenna out.
Come to me. You are in my thoughts. I never stray from the heart of you. Come to me. And if we can't be on the surface, we can be under. Although it's not the
shows where Joe Biden had to make a presidential decision, or where national security was threatened, or he was unable to do his job. In fact, the evidence points to the opposite. He was a very effective president.
For Putin, it was really a public embarrassment and walk ripple through the military command. But peace without justice isn't really peace at all. And this operation might reshape how the world understands, the resolve in the face of aggression. So,
all right. So I have this for I had this for over a month. I took it to a couple of trips, took it to the beach. I took it to multiple places. So when it comes to the antenna, it isn't the greatest. It's just not a great reception when it comes to this. Like, it could have been an upgraded antenna and it could be better, but maybe like wrap some foil around it, the old style tricks that they used to do. But overall, I mean, the sound quality is really, really good. It gets really crisp. This is really good for vocals and other music. It's not good for like rap music or anything with bass, because it'll kind of sound cheesy a little bit, but
emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. Oh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving is devotion. Oh, that sugar. Can't nobody tell me what I can do. Got a plenty aces that life hands you. Feeling like my body understands you. Maybe we could take this all the way. Spend another day chilling, making layups. If you're feeling down, well, there's a way up.
I love the technology, and I will use more of this as an FM radio rather than a Bluetooth, but sometimes I will use it as a Bluetooth. Originally, I did have this idea for picnic date. Whenever you go on a picnic, you could bring one of this small speaker. Because of the small form factor on it, it's easy to take to travel because it's super small. You just charge it up. So it should give you about 10 hours of usage, which is actually really good for the small size. That's actually mind-blowing. Now, I like a lot of these like vintage retro type of things, especially like with the leather. So I have like this camera, which looks a little vintage. It's a Polaroid, really cool. My lighting equipment, which is also small and compact and has like a leather feel. It's supposed to be based off of like a camera, and it looks like a little retro camera. So I love the fact of retro-like things. The novelty of it, that's just kind of something that I like. So the cool thing is you can just put it on the radio, have it playing. Your date, talk with your date, have this playing in the background. Since it's small, you don't have to blast it because it'll sound good regardless if you put it a little loud or less. It's good for like ambience and background music.
The question,